Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Hosting Your Horizons for beginner. So first, go to your Chrome and search up for Hosting Your Horizons and then sign up for an account or log into your account. After that, you will be directed here. And here, you need to input an informational sentences. Here are some of its examples, but I'll use another one. I'll make this one. Create a simple fitness app with 3 programs tailored to arms and chest. Also, add the sections for meal plans. After you input your informational sentences about what you want to do, simply click on this and then wait for it to load up. It would take a little while because it is coding the web app. So here it is loaded up. So as you can see, here is the website or web app that has been made. If you want to add an adjustment, simply input here. For example, add images. Hit enter and then wait for it to load up again. And there you go. It added the images that I asked for. So after that, you can simply publish it, or you can also see what it looks like on phone. It looks like this. After that, publish it, and that's basically it.